This is a message for the people that shoo away the seagulls at the beach. Why do you do such thing? It might be from a past wound that they attacked you or ate all your food, or the geese attacked you as a child, whatever it may be. All life wants to just hang out and commune with you. It is their world too. It is their home too. And they can choose what they want to do with you. If you're nice to them, it is a space. It's a safe space for protection. And for them to protect you too, and to commune with you. You know, they can do a call for all the other of their kind to attack you if they want to. So be nice to them. Be sweet to them. Send them love. Talk to them. Care for them. They are deserving.